Newsstands in the FCT have in recent times turned into talk shops. This time, it's all about EFCC's action in Benue and Akwa Ibom State. The anti-graft agency had within a few days frozen the government account in the two states controlled by the opposition, and these Nigerians can't help reacting about it.
This issue came up after the defection. What is the constitutional factor of a 500 account? Is it because Akpabio the cap? Are you getting me? The FPC and then who is a commissioner under job is fired? Are you getting me? For not being loyal to the city governor.
Not democratic. It is illegal to begin to freeze a state account without problem. So if you have frozen a state account, you're supposed to tell Nigerians the cause as to why you have frozen the state account. If it is not politically motivated, then what is the cost of you to freeze a state account that you don't find that state wanting on any issue, as in terms of financially or poor whatever, poor performance in the state in terms of governance? So why would you want to freeze a state account? Or is it because Akpabio, they come from APC, from PDP to APC, and his cousin, who is a commissioner under Udom, is being fired? Is that why you should freeze the state account? It is uncalled for. It is uncalled for. Freezing the state account is like crippling the state economy, crippling the governance of the state not to run. Now you come back to Benue State. Why would you freeze Benue State account? What is the cost as to why you have to freeze Benue State account? Is it politically motivated? Then if it is politically motivated, let us know. Is it as a result of poor performance or misappropriation of fund? Then you let Nigerians know.
The government cannot do that to suffer the government, because I heard that there are the government funds, what are they calling it, government have been given to them, and they failed to use it. So it is the masses that have been cheating. And my problem is federal government, once you seize it, why the federal government should find another alternative of settling the masses, because you don't seize the state fund and allow the masses to suffer.
It's happening in the north. For people to say Akpabio has defeated, oh no, they can go and buy people. How many people to carry people up? They can buy people for them to witness it. Yes, they can buy, there is money. Even you yourself, if I collected the money, I will go and stand like this. But I can vote my mind. 2019 is going to be totality.
The freezing of the account in Benue State is actually something that has been really giving us sleepless nights, because we should be able to distinguish between politics and governance. If account of Benue State is frozen, that means all the civil servants in that state will not get their salaries. Government will be shut down in that state. They will not be able to perform some statutory functions they are supposed to perform as a government.
Some respondents are convinced that the action is connected to the ongoing defection trend.
The governor has been in APC. Nothing like that. All right. He has not been accused of anything, corruption or any. There was no case. Nobody said anything. Immediately he defected. Issue of corruption and all manner of things started coming. So these are just cases of I don't know what to describe it. It's political, of course. It's political. Everybody knows. Let the government go back to their drawing board. Let them do the right thing. Let them follow the rule of law. Let them follow. We are in a democracy, for God's sake. Let them do the right thing. That
is better. You understand? It's better. We should be transparent. You understand? We should be transparent. It's not only, no, not when the person they come. When you declare the person is not like your come, you begin to go after the person.
You know, they have not conducted election. Maybe they have conducted election like Ekiti, and it's outgoing. We will know that. But this is not outgoing. It's his active governor. What do you want him to use to run the governor? And that place is a place where we have security issues. So, to me, Benue freezing account and Akwa Ibom is unacceptable. They should have frozen it with immediate effect. And I know Buhari will not accept that too, because he believes in justice.
No fewer than 3 bank accounts operated by the Benue State government are under investigation by the anti-graft agency based on allegations of abuse of the state security votes. Emmanuel Bagudu, PTV News, Abuja.